Hello, this video presentation is about fractional exponents. Not to worry, fractional exponents sound scarier than they are. If I have a base and I have a fractional exponent, the denominator is nothing more than the root, and the numerator is the power. And this is also equal to x and the entire expression in parentheses to the a power. All right? That's all it is. We have a base, whatever the base is, and we have an exponent. This is the root, the denominator is the root, the numerator is the power. Nothing more. Now, you're going to be asked to do three things today. One is to write something in radical form. It would help if I spelled radical, right? Radical form. Radical form is with an exponent. So I could have (10x) raised to the 2/3 power. The root is 3. The radicand is 10x. And it's squared. Likewise, you could write third root 10x quantity squared. Either way is fine. If I wrote something like 2x, 2x to the negative 1/2, well, let's make it more interesting than that, to the negative 5/2, it would be the square root of 2x all to the 5th power, but because it's negative, it's the reciprocal, and it's 1 over. All right? It's just 1 over. This is equal to 2x in parentheses, 1 over 2x in parentheses to the 5/2, and then we just write the radical. When it's a square root, we do not use the index here. If it was a cube root, we use the index. Square root, we don't. All right, write in exponential form. If I give you the cube root of 3x raised to the 4th power, it would be 3x in parentheses, and the root is my denominator, the exponent is my power. That's all it is. If I gave you something like this, 1 over the square root of x to the 5th power, you would write it as x. My root is 2. My power is 5. But because it's a reciprocal, I'd write it as negative. Write in exponential form. Nothing more, nothing less. It's pretty simple. The other thing you're going to be asked to do is to simplify. For instance, I could give you 4 raised to the 3/2. That's the square root of 4. Write it in exponential in radical form. Raised to the 3rd power. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 to the 3rd is 8. If I gave you 27 to the negative 4/3, you write it in radical form, 1 over, because it's negative, cube root of 27 raised to the 4th power. Or cube root of 27 is 3 to the 4th power, 1 over 81. That's all there is, folks. It's that simple. It's really not complicated at all. Hopefully. Sometimes they say that and it turns out to be complicated. All right. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.